So we are starting with this now, and I'm clicking position and rotation. So now I want it to be that at 0, 0.0 there is actually in this place, but then when it comes to 1 second here, I want this to have moved to this place. So in case you click on it and something like this happens, it's just as if I was trying to click on that layer, cancel it, so it will come back to this place. So I was saying at 1 second it has moved position to here, and not only moving position, it has rotated to 100. So you can see I also moved the rotation. The rotation was formerly at 0, 0. So this first zero that we are seeing, the zero is showing how many cycle, 360 degrees one cycle. If you should do another 360, two cycles, so it will be at 0 now because we've not achieved 360. So I'm still at 100. Let's make it 120. Let's do 180 safe. 180. Alright, so move to and I'm bringing it down more. And the scaling should be rotation rather. I did not touch scale. The rotation should now be 360. So once it's 360, you see that once it's 360, it has shown that we have completed one rotation and to come back to 0. So this means one rotation, one full cycle, that's 360. So let's go to 3 seconds now. What do we want to happen? At 3 seconds, the position should be here. Let me bring it up to meet the others. But also, it should have moved to 180 again. I just wanted to keep achieving 180. Alright, so now let's see what we have done here. So I'm clicking on my space bar now. You can see the way it's rotating down. You can see the way it's rotating down. So that's how this first one is just normal position. This one is to scale from different positions. This is to rotate. You can see. Also, let's do the fourth one. The fourth one now we'll be working with opacity. Let me close this first. Close your transform. Close number 3. And I'm going back to my 0. So we are picking this now, which is number 4. And this number 4, let's open it. I said, don't forget this should be at 0. And I said that we will be working. I can't see. Let me move it up. Alright, so for our light tone, I said we work with position and opacity. So what is opacity? Opacity is how visible an element is. You know, when it says scale is how big or how small it is, but opacity is how visible it is. Let me show you an example. This is opacity currently at 100%. That means it's very visible the way it should be. If I take it to 0, you can see it's not even showing anything again. So how clear is it? 100% means it's very clear the way it was made, but once it's 0, it means that there is nothing showing there. Let me take it back to its 100. So also notice one thing, that because I didn't click on the clock, there's nothing showing here. So until you click on this clock, that's when it will show time frame and it will affect the animation. If you don't click on this, nothing is going to happen here. So do that in the next tutorial now.